let me tell you something. I don't know who went to the Juve on the beach and thing. I don't know if all you realize as a Caribbean people how powerful it was to walk as a whole group of Caribbean people on the soil of the first revolutionary island. Me and Faye was talking. I don't know if anybody feel the same way. How much thing we watching on news over the years and hearing all the baddest and worst things you care about Haiti. And when the ship was pulling into the docks and they see them size a mountain, all you could have said in your heart is look at this majestic island and could have feel good. Right? And then while the Juve was happening, I don't know who is responsible for this, but whoever it is, I on behalf of the Caribbean diaspora thank you very much for doing this one thing. Somebody did stitch together of all the Caribbean flags and they start to bring watchmen. Listen to me. People that see them thing and take it from you can't take them thing for granted. Not even the politicians could have get the Caribbean islands together the way the music and the people getting themselves together in the islands right now. So on Uber Soca, thank you very much for taking me, my wife, my friends and all my Soca friends to Haiti for the first time in my life. It was an honor to visit such a historical place. I hope the next time ever in life we go to Haiti, all of us we go to Haiti, we're able to do and use the energies and strength to uplift Haiti. Because if the rest of the world want to uplift them, we have to uplift them, them is we people. Right? Years ago, in a Soca party, if you didn't mention the word Haiti years ago in a Soca party, everybody watching so. Because why? They used to say, nah boy, the people is voodoo and phobia. Nobody had time for that right now. That is why I say just now, and don't hide it. Anybody on the cruise who from Haiti, now make some noise!